Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. I recently purchased some Nicole Diary stamping plates from AliExpress. In my last video I shared the first one. I really do like these large style plates that Nicole Diary do. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing Nicole Diary stamping plate L16. As always, you can find information on where I purchased from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification on, and please like this video. These things really do help out my channel, thank you. So I have my usual stamper and scraper along with 6 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto. For the first swatch I'll be using a black coloured nail tip along with a rose gold stamping polish. I don't usually do swatches over black, but this colour combo works brilliantly. This whole swatch would work really nice, either matte or glossy. It is so pretty, but I really like the pattern effect of the marble over this nail. For the next swatch I'll be using a blue coloured nail tip along with a dark blue stamping polish. I can't figure out what this design is, but it sort of reminds me of a butterfly wing. Either way, it's gorgeous. Not sure how I would use it in a mani, but I've never seen an image like this before, so it's quite unique for me. I love how the image looks over the nail tip. It's definitely an image I want to use in a mani. For the next swatch I'll be using a light green coloured nail tip along with a green stamping polish. I decided to do this image again for the video section as the photo swatch really doesn't show how beautiful this image really is. Again, it's an unusual design, sort of reminds me of waves, so maybe this would work in a sea themed mani, but it's a really nice image to have. For the next swatch I'll be using a yellow coloured nail tip along with a burgundy stamping polish. This pattern image again is unusual, but I feel it would work in maybe a plaid mani or maybe next to a full glitter nail. I like the grungy feel to it, and it would work in so many different colour combinations like blues, greens, purples, pinks and nudes. Again, it's another image I want to have in a mani. For the next swatch I'll be using a lilac coloured nail tip along with a dark purple stamping polish. This is a crazy pattern image. With this image you could use it for reverse stamping, filling the areas in with colour. I like using images like this one. It can make a very eye-catching mani. I was originally going to swatch the butterflies on the same line, but I always do them, so I thought this was something different. For the next swatch I'll be using a white coloured nail tip along with a metallic blue stamping polish. I should have done this image very differently by adding a few different colours. It would have given a great mix paint splatter effect. That's definitely something that needs with this image, but with the white and blue it sort of reminds me of bubbles, so there is a lot of different ways to use this image. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and mani that I've created from Nicole Diary stamping plate L16. Nicole Diary stamping plate L16 has 30 good sized designs, of which are pattern and marble effect. If you saw my last video where I shared with you Nicole Diary stamping plate L09, I said that that plate would work with some others that I'm going to be bringing to my channel, and I think L16 would definitely work with L09. With the different mix of marble and patterns these plates have together, makes the amount of manis absolutely endless. These pattern effect marble designs can be very popular for manis. They are personally one of my favourites. There were some colour combo swatches that I created from L16 that I would love to create into manis. There's a bright purple one with a soft gold stamping polish, which I just love. Also a blue and white crackle nail look, which again looks stunning. I can see me having a lot of fun with L16. These large Nicole Diary stamping plates are easy to use and work great with my favourite brand of stamping polish and stamper. If you're looking for inexpensive large stamping plates which have some amazing designs, then look at these large Nicole Diary plates. They are some really good plates to work on, and it won't matter whether you're a beginner or advanced stamper. There is a great collection of these large stamping plates from Nicole Diary, and they're always bringing out some new ones. I'm getting a nice collection of them now, and you can find all the others I have in my Nicole Diary playlist here on my channel, and I'll be bringing the other ones very soon as well. Now these images are a nice size, they fill the pop stick and nail tips really well. The great thing about marble and pattern designs is they're quite easy to add extra stamping if needed for longer nails. You can also use them portrait or landscape, or even upside down or diagonal. There are so many different ways to use stamping. Now as always, I've created a mani for the Nicole Diary stamping plate L16. However, the mani looks way better in person than it does on camera. The stamping came out very subtle. I do want to recreate this mani using different colours just because I think it would look so much better. But I will be returning to L16 in the future for some more manis. There is so many different images that I want to use as well. L09 and L16 are going to be really nice stamping plates to use, and I'm so glad they're now in my collection. So for the mani, I went with this khaki green gel polish as my base colour, and I've stamped in a goldy green stamping polish. Again, I've only used one image, but for each nail I've turned the stamper in a different direction, so each nail has a different look to it. As I said, this mani looks way better in person, but the effect of this image really does give an interesting mani look. I've also added some crystals, which are champagne AB, to go with the stamping colour, but this mani would work in so many different colour combinations. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the manis and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I would be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Nicole Diary stamping plate L16. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.